Hi students, welcome to the Captain Shreve Library. I wanted to show you how to place a hold today. You'll need to go to our Captain Shreve Library page, and this is available to you in Canvas. We'll go to our Classlinks app, and we're going to log in with our Classlinks information. Students, you will read the information right up here in this blue banner to log into your Classlinks. And once we are logged in, here we go. We have access to all of our favorite apps and Classlinks. Your apps might look a little bit different from mine. I've taken a little bit of time to organize mine, and I have all my library things in one area. So I'm going to go into Classlinks, and students, you are looking for this green Destiny app. It says Destiny non-SSO, and that is how you will log into Classlinks and get into our Captain Shreve Library catalog to place a hold for a book. We have to choose the Captain Shreve catalog, and from here it might ask you to log in again. And students, your login information is available in our library page. Let's go back here. You can find all of those passwords here. When you log into Destiny, you'll log in with your student number and your last name. Okay. And once you're logged in, I love to use Destiny Discover. This is a great way to shop for books, so I'll show you how to place a hold with Destiny Discover. Let's look for, let's see, The Hate You Give, because it's usually a very popular book, one that we usually have to wait for. And once I find the title of that book, you see that blue button right there? If I press that, it's going to place that hold. Okay, and if I decide, I change my mind, maybe I wait a long time for that book and I'm just not getting that one and I want to try something else, I can unhold that book as well, and that will allow me to place some other books on hold because we do have a limit for holds on books. You can also place holds in our regular Destiny view. It's not quite as exciting, but it gets the job done. So I'll go here to the catalog tab, type the title of the book I'm looking for, search by title, and let's see, here I go. I can place a hold. And it's really important after you've placed a hold that you go to your account, My Info, and we're going to look to see, okay, I've placed a hold, but it says there are no holds because that book is not ready for me yet. So we're going to look to see that that book is ready for me to pick up. And if you have any questions or you need help placing a hold, you can always submit a help request and I will get with you. All right, thanks guys. Again, this is Mrs. Barclay, one of your Captain Shreve librarians.